So study guys, compulsory study. Any doubt, put it in a group only. Group only, any material, any questions you have a doubt, put it in a group. So I will try to give some information, links sharing and all. Don't give any personal messages. Okay, so
It's a hello sir.
yeah, tell me.
Yeah, it's a last day class.
Yeah, tell me.
Last class. This class.
Yeah, today is the last class for technical.
How long this will this class?
Today up to evening. So my exam 6:30.
Okay.
Okay. So compulsory. Go through questions. Keep practicing, guys. Practicing is important. So and discussion. So you have a time from Monday onwards in the morning. Then you can create your own meeting, and you guys are joining that one daily. Take 1 hour, 2 hours. Practice mainly questions and answers in English only. Just keep telling about yourself, about something, even it is a normal thing also. Try to tell, share your information. So then you are getting a practice. Guys, this is not a competition, right? Not a competition. Competition we don't share. Okay. It's not competition. So things of how many people are good, they will get selected. That's very simple, right? So if you practice, so you are will get energy to give an answer. Answering, speaking skills will improve. Okay, the shyness will be reduced. So this is about small part of Windows 10 and certain Windows services, certain Windows related also. We'll see, guys. There is a few features which is very useful while you are operating your system. One of the thing is that is change of start screen. This is a start menu, start screen kind of stuff. It must change between Windows XP to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 8.1 and 10 and 11 also. Okay. You can access an applications from here, and as well as you can pin the applications to this. So then from here also you can able to access. Next one is a OneDrive. So OneDrive is a cloud storage. Guys, cloud is not storage. In the cloud, different services are there. One of the services, storage also. You can store, this is iCloud, means it's iPhone related one. Okay, I'm not using now, but still it is there. Okay, this is the OneDrive. I can access the data offline, online, and from anywhere, anytime through internet also you can access your OneDrive data. That is directly in your PC Windows 10. Next one is a reset and advanced startup related issues are there. For example, you want to do certain troubleshooting. So simply go to your settings. Update and security. They will find recovery. So you will find this is reset this PC. For example, your system is not running well. Okay, not at all running well. Okay, so you open some application, it is open in a different way. Okay, something there is a big problem you are facing. Okay, very slow or a very dead slow type of system. Then if you may want to do, like, you can go to get started. If you click on, don't do it, guys, you don't do it. I will show you, but you don't do it, because if you do mistake, it is not just a mistake, it is big mistake. So keep my files, remove everything. So remove everything means it remove your application settings and your personal data. Keep my files means it will remove your applications settings and it will keep your personal files. But both the things, your operating system will be reinstalled. It remove applications and settings. Keep my files means it will leave your personal files aside. If you say remove everything means the personal files also will be removed. Okay, this is recovery, reset this option. This is advanced startup. So advanced startup, if you go to advanced startup, if you click restart now, don't click it. Okay. If you go to restart as advanced startup, so you'll get a different type of screens. So I will try to show you my pictures, screenshots. Okay. So what is this advanced startup? I will try to show you. This is advanced. So usually if you go to this one, you will get this kind of stuff. Or your system face certain issue. You have to go to troubleshoot option, or you have to go to certain option to do a troubleshooting. So obviously system will take you to this screen. Or if you go to settings, Windows, go to settings, update and security, recovery, advanced startup, then also you'll get this screen. Okay, here you will have to select a troubleshoot. You have to select a troubleshoot. If you select this troubleshoot, you will get these options. Reset this PC, advanced options. Depends upon your system. It may show you Microsoft Diagnostic and Recovery Toolkit. Okay, toolset, or okay, reset this PC and advanced options. If you go to advanced options, guys, you may get this kind of startup repair. Bootable repair related issues are there. Bootful files, startup related files, or any problem you got it. So you go for a startup repair. You want to do certain troubleshooting with a command line. Okay, then it is a, you can go to command line prompt. You want to restore your PC to the earlier stage, to the earlier restoration point. You want to do it, that is a restore a system. You want to go to BIOS settings, means UEFI firmware settings. BIOS settings directly when you start your PC. So from there you will go to BIOS settings. Okay. This is UEFI. Your PC is UEFI based. Then so you want to go to UEFI firmware settings. Then you can go for like a BIOS settings. UEFI firmware setting means nothing but a BIOS settings. Your PC is recently updated and then you got a certain issue. You want to uninstall that recent updates, then you can uninstall it. If you go to see more recovery options, you may find two or three options. Sorry, maybe one option sometimes. System image recovery option, you will get it. Startup settings or startup settings, you can see startup settings will take you to this. This is the for a safe mode. So next one is, if you see Microsoft Diagnostic and Recovery Toolkit, that will take you to this recovery tool. Like there is a locksmith. Locksmith you use it to reset your local password. Explorer will give access to your local drives, so then we can able to access your data, or you can transfer the data before you do anything. Okay, different tools to troubleshoot your PC. So these are a few screenshot, guys. That is related to reset and advanced startup repair. Okay, for repairing purpose. Hyper-V feature is also there in a Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10. Okay, but we should have a Pro or Enterprise editions, not Home editions. Okay, so what is this Hyper-V feature? Using Hyper-V, you can create a multiple virtual machines with the different operating systems in your same physical machine. Means one system already having a operating system, but you can install different type of operating system in the Hyper-V virtual machines. Action Center, so Microsoft Store. This is Microsoft Store. in generally, you have a in an Android mobile or if you have a Apple phone kind of stuff, you got a app store is there, no? Same thing. This is the app store. You can install certain applications and games. Some are paid versions, some are not paid versions. You can get it from here. You need a Microsoft user password kind of stuff to get it. Universal Windows platform. Universal Windows platform. Android Studio. Android Studio use it to build Android applications. Android Studio use it to build Android applications. Same way, you want to build applications for Windows operating system, so then we use Universal Windows Platform. Microsoft Edge, it is a browser. We are using Google Chrome, but also I'm using a Microsoft Edge browser. It's a default web browser in the Windows 10. By default, it is a web browser is coming. Earlier days, we have a Internet Explorer. Still, we have Internet Explorer recently. From last 2 years, I think so. 2 years or 3 years happened back only. So we should use compulsory Microsoft Edge. So that's the point. Consolidated settings. We already opened settings. Different settings you can go it. Instead of go to control panel and manage your system, you can easily manage with the different settings. Consolidated settings. Mobile hotspot. So what is a mobile hotspot? Normally mobile phone will receive a data from 4G network, right? So you can share the internet to other devices through mobile phone hotspot. Like you are connected to 4G to get a data connectivity internet, and say that internet we can share through our Wi-Fi connectivity using mobile phone, the Wi-Fi hotspot kind of stuff. Same way, Windows 10 operating system, normal laptops or desktop, like you receive a internet from cable connector. So you are receiving a internet through cable to your laptop, and in laptop we have a Wi-Fi adapter, so that using that one we can able to share internet. Okay, so your laptop become a mobile hotspot. Tablet mode. So if you take Windows 8 8.1, it is a tablet mode kind of stuff. Okay, so you can see from that this you can see the tablet mode also. This is a tablet mode, airplane mode, mobile hotspot, connect, project, screen snipping, night light, alarm only, VPN, all settings, and network. Okay. What is a tablet mode? It will convert a normal mode of operation to tablet mode. Like you are using a two-in-one type of laptops and you want the tablet mode to operate, then you will get a tablet mode. Cortana is like a voice assistance. What is Cortana? Okay, so it is a kind of voice assistant type, or you can ask anything. Okay, like your uh, Google support is there, no? Like a Google Talk or a Siri. Okay, that's kind of stuff. Alexa, Windows allow sign in face, fingerprint, PIN, password, picture password kind of stuff. Okay, so you want to normally we know computer or a laptop means desktop or laptop we can access, like you have to give password, right? But like your mobile phone you can give a PIN password also, fingerprint password, face detection also you can configure for your laptop or desktop configurations. and normal password. Picture password. Picture password is there is a picture, you have to highlight certain area and the picture. Okay, so then that is your become password. Simply you have to open a system. When you are login, for login it will show you a picture. So what are the already you are selected areas and selection pattern you have to follow, then you will get it unlocked and you can log in. Security key is also like a USB key type. It contains your password. When you connect, and it automatically opens. Okay, guys, active hours, task view, virtual desktops. These are all different things. This is the task view. What are the things I have done so far in this laptop, so I can able to see, and also multiple desktop environment. In this desktop, I am working with the different things. Multiple applications I am working. For example, I want to play a game and I want to develop some, I'm learning some software related and I'm also teaching class. So I will create a 3 desktop environments. Each desktop I will open what as per their requirement and they can do it. But entire whole process is running on a same system only. This just name is virtual desktop. That's it. So it's a very old technology, but introduced in Windows 10 newly. Okay. Why it is old technology? When I see Unix and Linux based operating system, even older versions, they have a workspace concept. Same workspace concept is changed here, virtual desktop. Guys, okay, somewhat Windows 10. Guys, in Windows 10, we have a Home Edition, Pro Edition, Enterprise Editions. Home edition, like usually when you buy a laptop, you will get a home edition generally, or maybe you can buy a home edition operating system through online or offline, you will get it from directly Microsoft website, or you can buy directly. Okay, you want an entire CD setup kind of stuff, you can get it like that, or only keys you will get it. Windows 10 Pro having some more extra features than a Home Edition. Windows 10 Home Edition does not have Hyper-V, local group policies, Bitlocker, App Locker, Windows to Go, and Windows 10 Home Editions cannot join into the domains. Domain environment, you can't connect to Windows 10. So you need a Windows Pro or Enterprise Editions. Pro Edition also you can buy. Okay, Windows 10 Pro also you can buy from any organization. Sorry. Windows 10 Pro is either buy, you can buy, or any organization also you can buy Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so it is little costlier than Home Edition, but you will get a lot of features. Okay, Enterprise Edition. Enterprise Edition is only by organizations. You cannot buy individually, but only organization for their employees purpose they are purchasing enterprise editions. What is this kind of activation? Whatever it is your operating system, guys, it is home edition, pro version, or enterprise editions, it should be licensed and it should be activated. So when you enter a license key and your data is go to Microsoft, and it will be verified your key and your product ID. So then it will confirms you are using a genuine product. Activation confirm the product and product key status. Activation establish the relation between the product key and installation of specific devices. Assures software integrity, provide a full update and support license compliances. Sometimes it is required to reactivate your license based on your system. Any changes occurs. Guys, activation is in 3 modes. One is retail, OEM, and Microsoft volume licenses. Retail means you purchase a operating system with the key. So then it is a retail type. Wherever you go, you can install that OS and insert a key and do not share the key. Okay. Microsoft volume licensing. What is Microsoft volume licensing? So we have 100 of computers. Okay, 100 of computers. Sorry, I jump from retail to volume licensing. I have 100 computers. Are there 100 computers? I can go to each and everyone to insert a license key, right? What I will do, I have a server. Okay, I have a server. The server is volume licensing server. Volume licensing server will distribute the license to all my computers. Guys, OEM is a original equipment manufacturer. Very simple to say, you are buying a laptop or a desktop from Lenovo, Dell, or companies like Asus, Acer. Okay, so what you got it? So you are buying a laptop along with an operating system, right? The operating system is pre-installed because it's a OEM and it is already licensed pack only. Okay, OEM. This is Windows 10 architecture, guys. Windows 10 architecture. If you see bottom and top, in the top we have a different applications, and there some are from Windows Store applications, Universal Windows Platform developed applications, desktop applications are there. To run these desktop applications or any applications, we need a that particular environments like a .NET framework, Win32 or RPA environment to run. Okay, who will maintaining our system services. The next one is the device drivers and Windows kernel comes under bottom part of your operating system. Okay, what is the device drivers, guys? So for example, I add a new hardware device. I don't know how to communicate with that hardware device. What we need a device drivers. It's a piece of software to understand or communicate between to the device.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
What is UWPFs?
Universal Windows Platform. Okay, Windows 10 editions. Just to know, guys, at least to know the basic information. This is I can't copy. Otherwise, I have to take like a screenshot type. Okay, I want to give a small break. And people are sleeping that too. Guys, these are the some run commands, each one. So it may be now or later. Okay, so I don't mind when you do it. Okay, maybe run now or maybe a later. So try these run commands. Okay, try these run commands to execute. Okay, these are the nothing but a run commands. Of course, nowadays we are using search box more than anything. Okay. Microsoft management. Microsoft Management Console. This is for a disk management, guys. This is for a disk management, computer management, event management, service management, okay, device management, group policy, and local user and user group policies. Okay, these are the management consoles, Microsoft console. Okay, for a Microsoft management console type. These are the control panel items. From here, control panel items. Okay, here if you go, okay, control panel. How to open control panel? Type control in the run. Control panel items are with the start.cpl. You want to go to programs and features array, add or remove programs. It's app is .cpl. You want to go to network connections, then ncpa.cpl. We want to see the firewalls. You have to open Windows firewall, firewall.cpl. So control panel related items you can open. And not only this, there's few more things are there which is not comes under directly. Registry, registry editor, ms info 32, ms config. Okay, these are the certain. Knowing about it, that's it, not much. Okay. Now take a break, guys. Just to take 10 minutes. Come back, have some tea. Then I will start with what is registry, services, safe mode, all these things.